Hello, hi friends. Uh, I'm Deepa. Actually, I was a working woman with two kids before this pandemic. Uh, like as it is, this pandemic changed everyone's life. In the same way, even my life got changed during the lockdown period. Like when it was before pandemic, everything was normal, and had some family issues and all, but everything was very much very well, very much fine. After this, during the lockdown, I started feeling the what to say all obstacles of my life. Uh, during the lockdown, family conflicts, health issues, so many misunderstandings, and I started feeling something in a different way. In the sense, I always during that lockdown period, I was thinking what I'm doing. I'm not at all achieving what exactly I wanted. Vani, Vani garu, uh, am I audible to all? Shall I continue, Vani garu? Okay. Uh, Actually, during this pandemic and lockdown period, I was thinking something else. Okay, thank you, Vadigaru. I was thinking, see, what I am doing, what is my life's purpose, what I am doing, why I am supposed to be on the earth. I started thinking in a different way, but I was not so serious about meditation and spirituality. I was not at all knowing anything about it. But my sister Priyanka and her in-laws were in already. They are in the meditation spirituality. I even attended so many sessions of Umarani Master and Priyanka Master. Even though I was not at all ready to explore myself in in this spirituality field. After when like I started facing so many family conflicts, and my mother-in-law, she got admitted to the hospital because of pneumonia, and her condition was I can't explain what this what to say, what the situation, what I traveled, I can't express also. At the time, Priyanka Master called me, and she was telling, why are you suffering so much? Why can't you do meditation? She said. But she is my younger sister, but in this spirituality, I can say she is my uh, master and mentor. She is more grown up than me, I can say. Uh, then what happened? She said one thing. Why can't you start doing meditation? She asked. But I was that time I was not so serious. She said one thing. You don't want transmission in your life? She asked. At the time, that transmission word stuck in my mind like anything. I started thinking, what is the transformation? Then she said, better you take do one sankalpa for 21 days and meditate for 3 hours, she said, at a stretch. Before that, I was not at all doing meditation even for 20 minutes. I asked her, are you serious? 3 hours? How can I asked. Uh, she said, uh, have what to say, sankalpa, and fix your mind that you are going to do and you will do, she said. First day I was not so serious, but even though I was ready to do because I was traveling through so many family affairs where I fed up myself. I just wanted to come out of that. So I did sankalpa that I will definitely do. Very first day when I started doing meditation, I normally used to do at night, uh, after 11, because of my kids. I need to take care of them also, no? So after, once they start sleeping, I used to start my meditation. That day I started at 11 o'clock, 10 minutes. And very first day, I experienced so many things. I just can't imagine. And sometimes what I used to feel, uh, what I'm seeing, and very first day itself, my third eye got open, and I was not believing myself. What I'm seeing is true, or what is this? I was in a confusion mode. And very first day I got connected to my previous births also. Not only one janma, that two, three janmas. And I was not aware of what exactly is going in me. I just called Priyanka. She guided me very, Priyanka master. She guided me very well, and even I contacted Premnath master. These two persons are, what to say, real changer of my life, mentors. uh, I really very thankful to those. They changed me way of life, and my vision, my goal, my ambition. Before starting meditation, I was just concentrating only on my job, work, financial conditions. Only that much I was meant for. When I started doing meditation, I can started realizing what exactly I am and why I am here. I From that day, and 21 days I did 3 hours meditation. Each day it was like new experience and magical moments, I can tell. Each day one new experience, and I started learning new things. I What to say, like enlightenment started in my life, I can say. Corona, actually, in so many's life, Corona has so many impacts. But in my life, it made me to walk in the journey of enlightenment, and I am so happy for that. And these 21 days are most memorable days in my life. Like this, I started journey in the meditation, and uh, while doing meditation, I got connected with Rampa Master's consciousness. That is also one big story I can share with very much happily. Once I was attending Priyanka Master's session about Rampa Master's message in this channel itself, Jnanamitra. She was talking about sadness to soulfulness. I attended her session, and in that session, she was telling how she got connected with Rampa Master, how she started auto writing and getting messages from Rampa Master. That After listening to that, I whole day I was thinking about that only. Nothing, no family matters, no kids worries, nothing. I was just simply thinking about Rampa Master, Rampa Master, Rampa Master. And I called Priyanka Master. See, like this, it is happening to me. She suggested one thing: just observe yourself during meditation, and let's experience what you will attain, she said. That day night, again I started doing meditation. uh, Without my consciousness, this finger started writing, acting like this, and I was not aware of auto writing. Just I heard about auto writing from Priyanka Master. Then I realized something is also happening in myself, I thought. Then that day I was just doing meditation and observing the things what is going in me. After that, next day, what Priyanka master said, just take one book and pen and keep it aside beside yourself. If you feel like writing something, start writing, she said. I said, okay. One word she said, see, life is all about experiment, she said. I thought, okay, anyway, I started this spiritual journey. Let experience and do experiments. What are all possible in my side? I thought. Okay, I started doing meditation the next day again, and after a few minutes, my hand started shaking like this. Then she said one thing. Close your eyes and write whatever you feel like writing, she said. I acted in the same way. I took pen and paper. Without knowing, I started writing Rampa Master, Rampa Master. In left hand, I used to write Rampa Master, Rampa Master. In right hand, I used to write Isis Mata, Isis Mata. I was not aware of who is Isis Mata. I felt very happy. Something new. This thing is coming. Some magical power is coming inside me. I felt, and I was very happy. Very next day, I asked one thing. Rampa Master, I came to know that I got connected. I got connected to you. Give some message. I asked. First, he gave one message: life after death. Like he gave only 6 lines, and it was only about how to live our life with happily, with love, spread love. It was only about that much. It was only related to that topic. I thought, see, heading is life after death, but the message is only love and happiness. Again, I asked very next day. Again, I asked, Master, you gave message regarding life after death, but it includes only life, happiness, love, only that much. Very next day, he gave 6 pages message. Really, I just can't believe that. And that enjoyment and that feeling, one should experience him or herself. We can't express in words what I can say. Today's message, what I would like to share is, this is also a message from Rampa Master. This is attached detachment. Attachment in detachment. We can say attached detachment. First, I would like to explain what is attachment. As we all know, what is attachment? Attachment means getting connected to 2 peoples or more than 2. In simple way, what I can tell is, attachment means it's a feeling. It's a mixed feeling of love, emotion, angerness, frustration, and then judgment. For example, masters, see, if you are in attachment mode, what you will feel? See, if opposite person gives love, what you will do immediately? You will also show love towards him. In the same way, if that person is not so happy and is in anger mode, what you will do? You will also do the same thing to him. If he talks angrily towards you, you also talk angrily to him. This is called attachment. In attachment, we can see more of angerness, love, that too conditional love. What is conditional love? See, take an example of one condition. Think that your husband is in a happy mood. Once he comes to you and shows the happiness, in the same way you also show the happiness feelings towards him. Okay, this is positively. Okay, this is well and good. When it comes to another mode, think if your husband is in an angry mood, he'll come and shout to you. This is you. this is your husband, what you will do? You will also start shouting, talking loudly. You will do the same thing to him. Means you are showing the same emotions and same feelings to your husband. Okay, this is called as attachment. In attachment, you see more of expectations, then insecurity, and whatever situation comes, you will be in a judgmental mode. This is called as attachment. Okay, when it comes to detachment, in a general word, what is detachment? Detachment means separating yourself from that relation. Okay, this is in a common way called as detachment. When it comes to attached detachment, this is the essence of life is very much lies in this only, attached detachment. What is attached detachment? You see only love, no expectations, no judgments, nothing. You will be in the state of mode that no situation will influence your mind. You'll be stagnant. Like, take an example. Uh, in relations, two persons, think of two persons. Okay, when you both quarrel each other, what other person will do? Instead of sharing your feelings, what he will do? He will just move away. Okay, what he will do? He will go to think if he is in more anger, frustration, depression, what he will do? Instead of sharing feelings to you, he will stop sharing feelings to you. He will just go to one more person, means counselor. He will go and share everything to this counselor. This counselor, what he will do? He will just listen to this person's talks. He will not do any judgment, and he will not expect anything from him. Expecting fee is different, but emotionally I am telling, he will not expect anything from this person. Okay, and after listening to all his feelings, what he will do? He will try to pull him out from the present situation. This is called as attached detachment. Means here you had attachment but not attached detachment. Okay, when you attain the awareness stage of attached detachment, you also start doing the same work as he did. Means you need to have full awareness, mental awareness, what to do, what to speak and what not to speak. See, take an example. Think you are doing some sweet. Okay, what you will do? You will mix all ingredients and put some ghee. When you put some ghee, you can see the ghee substance in that ingredients. Okay, when you start cooking, that ghee will start evaporating its existence. Correct? That is called as detachment. After preparing the sweet, once you eat the sweet and taste the sweet, you will feel the essence of the ghee. Means you are there, but you are not visible. In the same way, in each and every situation, instead of reacting in the same way what opposite person is doing, stop reacting. Just listen to him and show love. Love in the sense not conditional love. Love means unconditional love. In attachment we see only conditional love, but in attached detachment we see unconditional love. Okay, when you show unconditional love, see whatever the third person might be or second person might be, but you show the love to him. Okay, once you start showing unconditional love, what will happen? The other person also thinks, oh, see, I am telling so many things to her, even though she is not reacting. Means she is just listening to me, and what to say, situation will makes him to realize something is happening in between both of you when compared to earlier. And he will also start changing his mind slightly. Once you show the what to say unconditional love, you can change the surroundings as you wish. And Rampa Master tells one very nice message, what one very nice sentence, what it is means. See, if someone shows love, you will also show love. If someone shows anger, you also show anger. Then what it is? Do you think it's a business? Just give and take policy? No. Life is not about giving and taking. It's just showing unconditional love, he tells. My dear friends, I know it's very difficult to follow detached attachment, but once you reach the awareness mode, you can change yourself. I just like to read few words of Rampa Master's message. What I have received is how to attain the stage of awareness. He has given points. Those points are very nice. So just I wanted to read those lines to you. First thing, ask your soul to help in being in our awareness stage. It means in each and every situation, ask your soul to guide. And once this I have personally experienced when I wake up in the morning, I just started talking to my soul, and I told my soul, see, this day I want to be like this. Without my knowledge, if I cross that mode, you please guide me, I asked. And I can say, you just once you experience this, then only you will believe. Otherwise you will feel, oh, something she is telling, what that this you will feel. But no, my dear friends, you just start talking to your soul and ask your soul to guide whenever you need. And ask your soul, if you want to attain something, you just tell your soul, today I want to control my this emotion. Definitely your soul will help you to attain that, means overcome that emotions. Then second thing, stop talking too much. Control your anger. If you feel you are in angry mood, just stop talking. See how nicely Rampa Master said, if you are in an angry mood, don't express anything. Don't talk. Do Maunaratham. In Kannada one saying is there, Matu Belli Mauna Bangara. You just follow that. Rampa Master's message is also that only. And thirdly, stop judging and correlating the incident. When you lose your temper, you yourself can't handle that present situation. See how nicely Rampa Master said, when you can't handle yourself, how you will handle others, right? So control your temper. And lastly, don't expect anything from anyone. If you will see, if it is see what Rampa Master tells, something like you are expecting some gift from your husband, okay, some gift from your husband, and you tell, I want this. If it is really yours, it will definitely come to you. If it is not yours, if you quarrel with your husband also, you will not get that gift. This is the message what I got from Rampa Master. My dear friends, you all are here to fulfill your life's goals. So put your efforts more on it. Doesn't mean you should not take care of your family and relations. Try to balance your surroundings by showing unconditional love. See what Rampa Master tells. In this situation, I would like to take a very good example of Yashodhara Ma, Buddha's wife. What she did, she kept herself in her family, and she attained the enlightenment. Without leaving her family, she served all the poor people and who are unable to live. She just gave guidings and all, and she attained that stage. Like we also should follow Yashodhara Ma's life, Yashodhara Ma's message. This is all about attached detachment. Even I am also following this, my dear friends. and you also start I mean to say start experiencing things in your life, and start you also start creating attached detachment. See, when we follow, or when we go into attached detachment, we will be like in some other word. In that word, no expectations, no complaints, no comparisons, no conditional love, nothing. In attached detachment, you feel only love, conditional love. And once you start loving yourself, without knowingly, you stop expecting that love from others. This is what I experienced in my this meditation journey. uh, I would like to thank Vani ma'am for giving this opportunity to share my what message I got from Rampa Master. And I would like to thank Umarani Master, Venkatesh Master, Premnath Master, and last but not the least, Priyanka Master. Like, really, friends, you start doing meditation, you without knowingly you will start seeing new in yourself. I started new Deepa in myself, and I want others to see yourself new in you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Shall we start guided meditation, Vani ma'am? Do you have time or? Okay, friends. We'll do meditation for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? Okay. Yes. Thank you. All of you sit in a relaxed mode, relaxed place. Close your eyes. Sit, cross your hands like this. Cross your legs. Be in a relaxed mode. I invite Brahmarshi Pitamaha Subhash Patriji sir, Premnath Master. I invite Cicero Master, Rampa Master, Sita Mata, Ganga Mata, Isis Mother, Atri Maharishi Munis, Sainata, to come and sit and meditate with us. My dear friends, relax. Stop all the thoughts what you are getting at present. Relax yourself. Be as you are. Just free from all the worries, sorrows, burdens, work pressures, all emotions which are making you feel depressed. Just release all the emotions. Relax yourself. Connect to your soul. Say thanks to your soul. And ask sorry if without knowingly or unknowingly you have hurted, if you are hurted to your soul. Ask sorry You are the creator of your own. You should be like a power boosters for yourself. Increase your energies through meditation and enjoy the meditation. This time is for you. You start analyzing yourself. Think, ask your soul why it has taken this body. What is the life purpose of yours? Why are you here? On this earth, everyone will come with the purpose of life. If you don't attain that purpose, you have to take birth again and again and again. So, my dear friends, ask your soul. Enjoy the company of your soul. Meditation makes you free from all your past birth karmas. Meditation is the way to mindfulness. Meditation gives relaxation to your body, to your soul also. So feel that energy and relax yourself and enjoy the company of your soul. Meditation makes you free from all the anxieties and fear. So release your all anxieties, frustrations and depressions. When you breathe in, breathe the positive energy. When you breathe out, remove or send out all your negative emotions, depression, frustrations. Through meditation, you can release all your blockages. It might be related to your mental or physical blockages. Release all the blockages. Just enjoy doing meditation. Accept all the situations. It might be good or bad. Each situation teaches a lesson. Try to analyze what is that. Try to get the message out of that. Accept each and every person in your life. Forgive. If somebody hurted you, just forgive them. Develop that forgiveness in yourself. If you ask sorry without knowing or unknowing, if you have hurted someone, and if you can't express that emotion, you just release that emotion in this meditation. Just ask sorry to them. We all are here for a purpose. Realize that through meditation. Enjoy the meditation. If you start loving the meditation, whenever you are free, you feel like doing meditation. Love it with a pure heart from the bottom of your heart. When you start enjoying the meditation, you will see so many wonders of your life and secrets of your life. My dear friends, if you are searching for a love in real life, you can get that love through meditation. Relax yourself. Relax. Relax. Start the journey towards attachment. You all are receiving that power, jnana from Rampa Master. Masters, accept it wholeheartedly. In attached detachment, you see only love, unconditional love. With zero expectations and no judgments. If you attain this attached detachment mode, before any situation occurs, it will take your permission before it enters to you.